In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a page into a Notion template. This is a simple and effective way to reuse your work or share it with others without forcing anyone to start from scratch. Turning a page into a template is especially useful if you've already customized a layout that you want to use again for future projects, notes, or workflows. To begin, make sure the Notion page you want to convert into a template is fully customized. This means the structure, sections, headings, and content are already set up exactly how you want them. Think of this page as the final version that others will copy and reuse. Any changes you make before publishing will be included in the template, so it's a good idea to double-check everything and ensure it's clean, organized, and ready to share. Once your page is prepared, look toward the top right corner of the page and click the Share button. This opens the sharing and publishing options for your page. By default, Notion pages are private, so this step is required if you want others to be able to access and duplicate your page. Inside the Sharing panel, find the Publish tab, which is located next to the standard sharing options. Click on Publish to make your page publicly available. When you do this, Notion will generate a public version of your page. You'll now see information related to the live page, including its status and a unique link that can be shared with others. After publishing, copy the generated link. This link is what you'll send to anyone you want to share the template with. When someone opens the link, they'll be able to view your page online. More importantly, they'll see an option to duplicate the page into their own Notion workspace. This allows them to create a personal copy of your page while keeping your original version unchanged. This method is what effectively turns your page into a Notion template. Anyone who duplicates it can customize it for their own use while you maintain control over the original layout. It's a great way to share systems, planners, dashboards, or structured documents without manually recreating them every time. And that's it. You've successfully turned a Notion page into a reusable template that others can duplicate and use instantly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.